Everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading around 4914.935 dollars. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, it has made a half around 5097 and a low that is just now broken at a level of 48.85 dollars. That is the low what we have seen today. Okay, it's a good volatility we have seen compared to what we have seen in the recent times. Okay, yesterday also. Now if you look at this particular trend, there is a higher chances that if the price keep moving above a level of around 5000, we can see there can be a further upside. I've clearly mentioned you that 5000 5k is an important level, that if the price keep moving above 5k, we can see there can be a further upside. But if the price started going below a level of around 48.96, we can see there can be a further downfall will be there. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, if you look at this particular trend, I have clearly mentioned you that a strong level coming at a level of 48.88 dollars. Understand this particular level, okay, and keep this level in mind, so that if the price touches this level, a bounce back can be seen. But if the price didn't bounce back, we can see the price can go further down, and yes, after that there is a higher chances that it can move towards 47.69 dollars. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, a further downfall can be seen. But if it started sustaining this level, it can move towards 40, and if the price moving over 49.40, a further upside can be seen towards next level, which is very close to it, around 49.85 dollars. Okay, remember, if it started sustaining over 49.85, we can see the price can go further upside, and from there a probability will be high it can touch again today's high, that is around 5100 dollars. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, there is will be higher chances towards an upside. Okay, but if the price keep moving below that level, a further downfall can be seen. I have clearly mentioned you that there is a higher chances that the price can go further high if it only if it started sustaining by 5k dollars. But if it keep moving below a level of around, that is today's low of around 48.80, we can see there can be a further fall. Okay, this is a daily chart, so you have to decide your quantity, SL and target as per the daily chart. There are a lot of what we have seen, economic events are coming, Fed rate expectation can be there. Okay, CPI datas are there, so we can see volatility in this particular week also. Okay, but for the 2 days we have not seen good volatility compared to what we have seen in the last 3 days. Okay, now the price currently trading around 4925.680 dollars, because it has already touched a level of around 48.87. The price is trading currently towards higher side. If the price keep moving below this level, we can see it can move towards 48.87, and once started falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards next level of around 47.67, which is a support too. And once the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen below a level of around, you can say, that is previous day low of around 46.80 dollars. Probability is less that it can touch only when if it started falling below a level of 47.67, we can see this level. Otherwise there is a probability of going upside if keep moving above this level. Trail your SL by around 20 or 25 dollars, so at least you will capture upside movement as well as downfall. So now suppose if it keep moving upside, we can see, and goes above a level of 49.39, we can see there can be a further upside movement. So trail your SL if the price sustain over 49.39 by around $20 or 15 to $20 depending on your risk. If the price moving over this level, it can move towards 49.90, and from there a further upside can be seen, because this 49.90 is already level 49.90 is already tested, so we can see the price will go further upside, and from there a further high can be seen towards today's high from 5100, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen. So trail your SL by around 25 to $30 depending on your risk. But if the price keep moving below this level, a further fall can be seen towards a level of around, that is previous to previous day high, that is around 48.87. If the price fall below this level, a further downfall can be seen. So trail your SL as soon as the price started going below a level of 48.87. So chances will be high it can move towards next support of around 47.75, and from there a further downfall can be seen, that is previous day low of around 49.698 and then further low. Any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Understand there is a good volatility we have seen in the gold prices, so any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel please subscribe.